Hey, what's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video in our YouTuber tips series here. And hey, if you're new to the channel, my name's Jay Yadlovsky and I make a lot of videos about DaVinci Resolve and video editing. But recently I started a new series on just helping people get started with their YouTube channel or grow their YouTube channel. So I just kind of share my experience and let you guys know what I've been doing and some tips that I've learned along the way so that maybe they'll help you out too. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you want to learn how to edit your videos, you can also check out my DaVinci Resolve tutorials. So today there's two things I want to talk about when it comes to your YouTube channel. So the first one is why? Why are you making a YouTube channel? Why do you want to put videos out there? Do you want to help people? Do you want to entertain people? Do you want to just share your knowledge or share your projects that you might be working on? What is your reason for starting YouTube? I think you need a good understanding of your why in order to really grow your channel. You're trying to make videos that are for a particular person or for a particular reason, so you need to know what that reason is. And I'll use myself as an example here. I started my YouTube channel because I want to help people. I want to share my knowledge in photography and eventually video stuff and video editing. And I just really want to contribute back to the community who I've learned so much from. I've learned a ton of stuff from YouTube, pretty much all my photography stuff. I mean, let's be honest, anything you want to know, you can pretty much find on YouTube. And even recently, I just fixed my 1985 Nintendo by watching some YouTube videos. Super excited to get that thing working again, by the way. So know your why, and that's going to help you direct your content to the audience that you want to reach and just help get you some traction and help you start to grow your YouTube channel. The second thing that I want to talk about today is your how. So how are you going to get your videos out there? How are you going to get this channel going? And it's going to be different for you, but for me, what worked for me is to set myself onto a schedule. So I started putting out one video a week, always trying to hit that one video a week. And you know, sometimes it was tough. It was tough, gotta be honest. And then there's maybe been a week or two that I missed, but I'm always trying to hit that one video per week and get it out there. And one thing I had to realize is that sometimes you gotta just be done with your video, and done is better than perfect. So you gotta get done and post it out there, because you know what, you could work on these videos forever and they're never perfect or done or exactly what you want. So at some point you gotta call it quits and just put it out there. That worked out for me. I did one video a week for a long time. And then the summer 2020 here, I knew we weren't gonna be able to get out and do a whole lot. So I figured, you know what, let me start putting out 2 videos per week. I want to do one video that's just quick, easy, which is Quick Tip Tuesday. So I'll link to that up here if you want to go check that out. But Quick Tip Tuesday, and then I have Thursdays, I have a DaVinci Resolve, a longer tutorial about how to edit some video or do some cool effect or something like that. So I got those 2 videos going. And then I also thought, you know what, I want to try and find another way to help people that are watching my videos. So I started this YouTuber tips series, and we're just going to keep rolling with this. And this may not be as consistently posted, you know, maybe not every week, but every 2 weeks or something, you know, but I just wanted to provide you guys more value and get more videos out there. So the how are you going to get it done? How are you going to make your videos? How are you going to find time to create the videos? You've got to film, you've got to edit, you've got to come up with ideas. There's a whole lot of stuff that goes to this whole process. So as you're getting started or just starting to try and grow your channel, think about that. The how am I going to put all this stuff together? How am I going to find time? You know, how are you going to actually start to grow your channel? Because you need to be consistent. If you're not consistent, YouTube isn't going to start putting your stuff out there more. It takes time of being consistent in order to start to grow your YouTube channel. And make sure you know the why, because the why is probably the most important part. Why are you even doing your channel? Because if it's not a good reason and not something that you really want to do, you're not going to stick with it. You're not going to be consistent. Your videos won't get picked up, and it's just kind of fizzle out. And that happens to a lot of people. It just kind of fizzles out because you don't see results quick. So keep those 2 things in mind. Know your why, know your how, and how you're going to start to get there, and then just start making some content. Put it out there. It takes time. Remember, patience. Patience is huge. Just takes time. So start putting some videos out there. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out some more of our YouTuber tips series if you're into that. If you want to know how to edit some videos, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can go check that out. And that's it for now. So hope this was helpful, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.